Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about CSIR NET June 2026 exam, which seems to be delayed now. That's what I'm going to talk about because I was getting a lot of messages and emails that when the exam is going to be conducted. To be frank, nobody can tell you right now, okay, because nobody knows about it. But what we can talk about in this video is when we can expect the exam to be, and the second thing is what you can do with the remaining days which are left for the exam, how you can utilize those days. So as I said, it is quite confirmed that the exam will be delayed, although there is nothing specific or there is nothing official yet from NTA, from CSIR or anyone, okay, which is very frustrating. As a student, I can understand. As someone who has given this exam, I can definitely understand that it is frustrating to not to know about it. You are basically unaware about anything. You don't know whether the exam will be conducted, when it will be conducted. You don't have any timeline now, okay. Generally CSIR NET is conducted in the month of June and December, twice a year, but now there are least chances that it will be conducted in June. I would say no chances. Why? There are two reasons. Number one, you don't have any notification yet. You are almost in the last week of May and you don't even have any notification. So generally notification is given within like a month before the exam. So since you don't have any notification, you cannot expect exam in the month of June now, okay. When you can expect then? Probably in the last week of July. That's where the last exam, that is in July 2025. In the year 2025, exam was also delayed over there, and the exam was done or was conducted in the month of July, in the last week of July, 26th of July to be precise. This year again, you can expect the exam in the month of July. That's what my expected, or that's what my intuition says based upon what I can see happening around, okay. And second, and the biggest reason which I think most of you are aware about, is a re-NEET, okay. So NEET exam, there was a paper leak and the exam is dismissed. Exam is going to be conducted again. And why re-NEET is going to affect CSIR NET? Because CSIR NET is also conducted by NTA, which is National Testing Agency, and the same agency is conducting NEET exam as well. So the same agency has to take care of all these exams. NEET is a very big exam. There are like tens of lakhs of students who give this exam or who appear for that exam. So a huge number of students appear for that exam, so they have to take care of that. And because the exam was not conducted properly in the first place, so the tentative date for the re-NEET exam is 21st of June. So there won't be any exam near that, okay. So expect delays in the other exams. There will be other exam like UGC NET also. UGC NET is another exam which NTA only conducts, and there are chances that it will be again delayed, like that will be delayed, and CSIR NET will be conducted a week after, or 15 days after that. So expect delays in CSIR NET. As of now, I think it should be conducted, or it will be conducted in July 2026. That's what tentatively I can say as of now. There is nothing official. Again, I'm telling, it's all based upon previous things which we have seen, and it is frustrating. I cannot emphasize on this that how frustrating it is, and I can totally understand the point of view of you guys who are preparing for this exam, how frustrating it would be for you. But the things are not in your hand, okay. You cannot do things, like you can't do anything. You can't control these things. So what are the things that you can do? You can utilize these days, okay. How you can utilize these days? First thing is, try to cover most part of your syllabus. If let's say you are leaving few topics, considering the exam to be in June, you thought that you don't have enough days and now you will skip few topics, try to cover them as well. So you still have few days, cover more syllabus. Second thing is, give previous year's questions, solve previous year's questions. If you have not yet solved previous year's question, definitely try to do that. We have our ebook, you can buy that. There will be a question bank since June 2011 exam till the last, that is CSR December 2025 exam. All the questions asked in all these years are covered in that particular ebook, and these questions are segregated topic wise. So for example, you are skipping, let's say, a topic. Let's say you just want to solve questions of coordination chemistry. So all the questions of coordination chemistry asked in all these years are covered together, or they are together at one place in these ebook. Link to buy these ebooks is there in the description of this video. You can definitely buy that. Secondly, we are running our course for physical chemistry of CSIR NET exam. That's our Zeta batch, and I will be extending the validity of this course. So in case if you want to prepare from the lectures of physical chemistry, you can again get that particular like get enrolled into that batch. Link is there in the description again. And we will be focusing majorly on part A, because that's another section where a lot of students don't actually pay much attention on. But because we have advantage, we have some days left, so why not utilize it to prepare for part A. So in next few days I'll be uploading more videos related to part A. I already have a playlist for part A for CSIR NET. Do watch that if you have not yet watched. And I will be also launching a course dedicated for part A, where a lot of things are there that will come up very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's all you can do as of now. Utilize these days in the best possible way. Understand that everyone in this particular cycle is going to face the same thing. While I totally understand that when the exam get delayed, your motivation drops down a little bit, but I would recommend you to try to get motivated, try to stay motivated, and remember that whatever your time you have, whatever preparation you are going to do, it is going to be worthwhile. When you will be sitting in exam, you will say that okay, whatever extra days I had, I have utilized that in a better way. So keeping that as the closing note, I'll just end up this video over here. If you have any specific question, you can ask me down in the comment section below. If you have any queries, you want to have one-on-one conversation, you can drop me DMs on my Instagram. I am also available on LinkedIn. You can follow me over there as well. All the link of these social media platforms are there in the description of this video. So let's connect everywhere and we can talk about things in more detail. That's it from my side for this particular video. As I said, I'll be talking about more things related to exam. I'm just waiting that final or official notification comes up by CSIR, but because it is getting delayed, we will start our aptitude series. That would be, I think, more useful. If you have any other request or any other suggestion, those are most welcome in the comments. All right, so stay motivated, keep preparing for the exam, and that's what I can say. All the best and take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.